First, we'll see how we can add a temporary environment variable. So we do set test underscore key, that's the name of our environment variable, and value 1, 2, 3. Now we print the value using echo command. So it should give us a return value 1, 2, 3. This is just for the temporary environment variable. Now what if we want to have a permanent environment variable? So we open the command prompt using admin privileges. We do set x test underscore key and the value inside the quotes, and if we enter, it should give us a success message. We can see this value by going into system environment variables, and inside the user variables for the system, you can see here test key is added in the user environment variables. Now how to add a system environment variable? We do set x test underscore key and add /m. We get a success message, and this environment variable is available to all the users available on this present on this system, not just for a specific user. And now if you go to the system variables, right, you can see here that there is a test key, right? Now let's look into how to set an environment variable for WSL Linux. So we open a WSL instance and we set the value test underscore key is equal to 1, 2, 3, and now we print the value using echo $, our name of the environment variable test underscore key, and it should return us a correct value, that is 1, 2, 3. Now let's look into how we can add a permanent environment variable. To do that, we need to add our variable to bash rc file. So we open that file using vim sudo vim rootpath.bash rc, and we enter the password, and now it should open our file. Press I to go into edit mode, then go to the end of the file using cursor keys, and then add export test underscore key and our 1, 2, 3 value. If you have gap inside your value, you should use quotes, otherwise you can just avoid them. And now press escape, then :w q. This should save and exit our file. We need to reload our terminal with the latest changes made. So we do source and root path bash rc file. This should reload our terminal with the latest changes made, and here you can see in the suggestion, there is a bash rc file. Now if we press enter, the terminal is reloaded with all the latest changes made. Now let's print the value using echo command, echo $test underscore key 1, 2, 3, right? But what if this value isn't added permanently? So to test that, we open up a new instance and we do echo $test underscore key, and it should give us a permanent value, that is 1, 2, 3, right?